Lately, a strange ad has been spreading everywhere online, explaining how a simple pink salt trick can supposedly erase nerve pain naturally. The product behind the viral claim is called NeuroSalt, and according to the ads, this hidden morning ritual can repair damaged nerves without expensive medications or complicated treatments. Sounds unbelievable, but here's the real question. Is NeuroSalt actually legit, or is this another fake supplement? Before we take a closer look, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. There is currently no strong clinical evidence proving that pink salt reverses neuropathy or permanently repairs nerve damage. Yet the advertisements present the idea like a hidden medical discovery the public was never supposed to learn about. Now here's the bigger issue. Many legitimate nerve support formulas usually contain ingredients commonly discussed in neuropathy research, like certain B vitamins, alpha-lipoic acid, or benfotiamine. But reviews examining NeuroSalt noticed several of those widely recognized ingredients were either missing or not heavily emphasized. That alone is a major red flag. Then come the celebrity endorsements. The ads heavily imply support from famous television doctors using news-style interview clips and professional graphics. But multiple investigators report that these videos appear manipulated using AI voice cloning, edited footage, and fake media branding. Neither celebrity appears to have officially endorsed the product. And once fake endorsements enter the picture, trust starts collapsing fast. Customer complaint patterns also raise concerns. Some buyers report aggressive upselling pages, recurring promotional emails, and confusing checkout funnels designed to pressure quick purchases before people research the product carefully. The reviews themselves look suspicious too. Many 5-star testimonials follow nearly identical wording patterns often seen across copy-paste supplement campaigns online. So, what's the final verdict in this report? NeuroSalt does not appear to be a proven medical breakthrough hidden from the public. Instead, it looks more like a heavily marketed supplement campaign using exaggerated claims, emotional storytelling, AI-generated endorsements, and weak scientific backing to drive sales. That doesn't automatically prove every bottle is fake, but the marketing surrounding it raises serious credibility concerns. If you've seen NeuroSalt ads or tried the product yourself, share your experience. And if you find this helpful, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell,